The vertex color parameter within the materials parameter allows you to access extra information within your geometry. That extra information is going to help shade the polygons within your geometry. So I'm going to go ahead and enable vertex color and hit apply. And it's going to look like it screwed something up, but you can rest assured and realize that, hey, yes, everything is actually working, because once we look inside of our context file, which is actually right over here, we can see within our vertex we have a color information node along with other information per vertice, and you can see that each color has each vertice has a color represented by the color the primary colors of light: red, green, and blue. If I were to go ahead and change everything here to 111, that would mean that all the colors, all the primary colors of light are adding together to make a color. And if you add red, green, and blue together in an additive color scheme, you're going to get a white. So in this case, the polygon that's near this vertex is going to be tinted white. So if I go ahead and go to the previewer, or let's save this first. Go to the previewer and then bring in that geometry plane, open it up, hit apply. You can see that that vertex is now tinted with white, which is now going to reveal the color. So using this information, you can tell anything with 000 is going to be tinted black, which is going to make it so that we cannot see our texture, and anything 111 is going to be tinted white. So if I were to actually go ahead here, let's bring this back to 000, and I'm just going to do a search, edit, replace, and then we're going to look for 000, and we're going to replace it. In this case, we're going to do all three channels one at a time. So we're going to do the first one is going to be 100, which means we're going to have 100% of 1, 0 of we're going to have 0 influence of green or blue. Then I'm just going to replace all. There's 24 instances since we have 24 vertices, and we're going to save that out and go inside the previewer. Open up the geometry tab, and we're going to go grab our friend here, open and apply. So in this case, it looks like we missed a vert, but that's fine. But you can see all the other ones that were grabbed are now red, and we're going to do the same thing here. Let's go ahead and let's just undo. Let's see, which one is it skipping? Oh, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to hit Control R, and we're going to change this here. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 1. So remember, it's RGB, so this is going to make everything all green. There we go. Will it find? No, cool. So we'll go ahead and save that. Book, book, import, plane mesh, open it up. So these are going to be green. And then the next one, you guessed it, it's going to be blue. Control R. Goodbye. And hello. Alright, so we're going to replace all. There we go. Cool. So it looks like we're going to be missing 2 verts, but that's okay. So we're going to save that, bring this in, and hit apply. Nope, I didn't bring it in. So let's bring it in, hit apply, and it's blue. Kind of looks black, but if we get really close, you can see it is a blue. So that's roughly vert colors. Now, it's not quite practical to go ahead and edit the vert colors in by hand within the XML file. So unfortunately, the vert colors are not accessible to texture artists. But if you have a good rapport with your with the person you're deriving from, I'm sure the 3D artist wouldn't have a problem painting a vertex color that will meet the needs of for your particular product. So that is the vertex colors within the material parameters.